by the sea, where the old tunes play. Two hearts met in subtle sway, with each sip of coffee and gentle lime. Our love aged like a fine red wine. Years may come and years may go, through every high and each low, woven in the notes we hum, enduring love will overcome. Oh, our love, it's evergreen, waltzing through each changing scene. In every whisper, in every sign, our hearts remain forever entwined. Underneath the moonlit sky, you and I, a sweet reply. Each soft promise, each fine chord, a love that time could not afford. Seasons turn, but we remain, a story sung without refrain. In the silence, in the blues, timeless love we can't lose. In your eyes I see the past, echoes of a love so vast. Through the years we've come to see, our love's a timeless melody.